Have you heard the term camp? It's giving camp, or I love how campy it is. Are you confused about why queer people and allies are obsessed with bears and pitching tents? I'm Chatterblast camp counselor Steven, and to celebrate Pride, I want to teach you a crash course on what camp is. Camp is an aesthetic style and sensibility that regards something as appealing because of its bad taste and ironic value. It's deliberately theatrical, it's exaggerated in style, it's ostentatious, extravagant, effeminate, well, let's take a step back and look at the origin. The etymology is derived from the French term camper, which translates as to pose in an exaggerated fashion. The term camp first appeared in England around 1870 and has always had a connection to queer culture ever since the societal scandal of Frederick Park Kral's dressing in women's clothing. The camp aesthetic then blossomed because of Susan Sontag's essay from 1964, Notes on Camp. The LGBTQ community has always celebrated camp while cultivating it in art forms of all kinds, like fashion, film, music, and dare I say, sports, and in ways you might not immediately expect. So let me pitch a couple of examples for you to get your camping badge. The 2019 Met Gala themed Camp, Notes on Fashion, a play on Susan Sontag's essay. Lady Gaga performed camp. She had not one, not two, but 4 looks by the time she reached the top of the stairs of the red carpet. Film, Best in Show, Waiting for Guffman, Drop Dead Gorgeous, Rocky Horror Picture Show, Grease, and Wet Hot American Summer. Music, camp, 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 Cher is camp. Camp is Cher. This is camp. Finally, in the words of the great Susan Sontag, camp taste is above all a mode of enjoyment, of appreciation, not judgment. Camp is generous, it wants to enjoy. So enjoy Pride Month and have a very campy June.